Oh no, the dreaded error code F05. F05 is your washing machine telling you it can't pump out any wastewater. The bad news first, this is the most common error code you might encounter with your Hotpoint or Indesit washer. The good news though, it's one of the easiest error codes that you can fix yourself without having to call out an engineer. Let me show you what you can do. Hey, Bryn here. So first things first, how do you know your washing machine is actually showing you error code F05? Well, this machine is kind enough to show me through a digital display, but if your machine doesn't have one of these, it can only show you the error via a series and a system of flashing lights. Now, to decipher those lights, have a look at my Understanding Error Codes video by clicking here. But here is a quick look at what error code F05 looks like on some common Hotpoint and Indesit washing machines. Now, if it's not evident so far, this error code is only relevant for Hotpoint and Indesit washing machines. However, the advice in this video is still relevant for anyone with a washing machine that has a similar problem. Before I begin though, if you need any assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint washing machine error code support page. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint washer errors, how to read them, and what to do about them. So error F05 is your washing machine telling you that it can't pump out wastewater, and it's often accompanied by water in your washer and wet clothes that won't spin. However, as mentioned, this is usually something you can fix yourself, and that's because it's almost certainly got to do with a blockage in your wastewater pump or your wastewater hosing. Now, the number one culprit of an F05 is a blocked pump. So the first thing to do is clear out the pump's filter, as this can often get blocked with foreign objects and general washing gunk. But be warned, this can be a very messy and very watery job, but worry not, because I've got a video explaining everything to do with clearing out your washing machine's water pump here, including how to stay dry while doing it. So go off, give that a watch, and I'll be here when you get back. Now, if that didn't work, the next thing to check is the wastewater hose, and to do that, I'll need to move the washing machine out. Now, washing machines can be really heavy, so please only try to do this yourself if you think you can do it safely. Don't be afraid to ask for help, remember safety first. But a top tip for you, I like to slide something underneath the appliance itself. This helps to protect the floor, but it also gives me something to slide the appliance onto. Now you can use vinyl, you can use cardboard, or in my case, a sheet of hardboard. Another tip for you, if there's nothing on the outside that you can grab hold of, what you can do is reach onto the inside here, but try not to grab hold of the floating drum. Now, once your washing machine is out, you can get to the wastewater hose. That's the one that goes from the back of the machine at the bottom to the water outlet. Now, what you're looking for are kinks like this, and these can happen if your washing machine has recently been moved or it's moved out of position and pushed back. But you're looking for any kinks like this or obstructions that can prevent the water flowing back out of your machine, which can lead to error code F05. While you're there, it's also worth checking your waste connections are secure, and if you have a standpipe like this that the hose goes into, that it's free of any obstructions. If you're happy, you can push your washing machine back into place, but of course be careful not to trap any of those hoses. Lastly, if you're still getting the error code after trying everything I've mentioned, then it's time to call out an engineer. To book your local engineer or to start the conversation with our service team, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.